Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIVS Home School. Here I am Kamrun, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. My dear students of class 4, today I am going to take your English language class and our today's topic is adjectives. We have done it before and today we will do some exercises. And could you remember what is adjective? Adjective is a word which give us some extra information about noun or pronoun. That means it modifies a noun or a pronoun. That means it tells us about the size or color or the condition, etc. about a noun or pronoun. So let's start our class today. Today we will do some exercise of adjectives and we will we have done it in our previous class. Now look, in our previous classes we have done it one or two times. Today we will do it again. This is our revision work. Now look, fill in the blanks with suitable adjectives from the box. So there are some adjectives and what are they? Great, smart, little, new, small, wise, bright, lust, elder and roasted. And there are some sentences. We will fill up those blanks with the suitable adjectives. That means we will choose the correct one from this box. Okay, let's read the first sentence. I love to eat dash peanuts. Then he is a dash man. Number C, all dash boys are appointed here. Number D, she is my dash sister. Number E, this is a dash shirt. Number F, December is the dash month in the year. Number G, would you like dash sugar in your tea? Number H, I like dash morning. Number I, the dining room is dash. Number J, Omar the dash was a just ruler. So now think which will be the correct answer for each blank. Now look, I love to eat dash peanuts. So what kind of peanuts do you want to eat? Of course, roasted, right? This is suitable for peanuts. So we will write here roasted. Now he is a dash man. Now look, which one is suitable? Now look, we can write here great, smart or wise, but he is a dash man. I think it is wise. Wise is more appropriate here. Now look, you will know why. He is a wise man. Now look at the next one. Number C, all dash boys are appointed here. So the boys were appointed here. What type of boys? Of course, the smart boys will be appointed in a company or in a job, right? So we will write here smart. That's why I don't write here smart. He is a smart man is the correct answer also. Now all smart boys are appointed here. Now she is my dash sister. She is my younger sister or elder sister, or we can write here. So what is given here? Elder. So we will write here elder. Now this is the dash shirt. Shirt may be old, new, shattered, faded, etc. So what is given here? New. So we will write here new. This is a new shirt. And December is the dash month in the year. And we all know that December is the last month in the year. So it will be last. Now would you like dash sugar in your tea? Now look, now look the word great, bright, little, small. Now you have to choose the correct one. So what will you write here? Small or little? So of course we will write here little. Little sugar. I like dash morning. Now we have only 3 words. left. Now great, bright or small. So what will be the correct answer? Of course we will write like bright morning or sunny morning, but this is, this bright will be the correct answer here because it is given here. We can't write here sunny, or maybe you can also write the rain, but it's not given here. Rain. The dining room is dash. So only two words left, great and small. So what will be the correct answer? The dining room is beautiful or small or large, so or big. So what will you write here? There will be small. The dining room is small. Now number J, Omar the dash was a just ruler. So we all know that Omar is the caliph. So what will be here? Omar the great. Omar was a great caliph, right? We all know it. So these are our answer. Now we have fill up the blanks. And now look, number A, I love to eat roasted peanuts. Now look, the word roasted give us information about peanuts. That means it modifies peanut. That's why roasted is an adjective. Now he is a wise man. How is the man wise? The word wise modifies the noun man. So this is adjective. All smart boys are appointed here. Now look, smart indicates those boys, and boys are also what? Noun. So it is an adjective. She is my elder sister. The word elder modifies sister. That means it modifies a noun. So it is an adjective. This is the new shirt. The word new modifies shirt. It gives us information about the shirt. The shirt is new. So the word new is an adjective. Now, December is the last month in the year. Now look, the word last indicates the month. It modifies the month. That's why the word last is an adjective. Would you like little sugar in your tea? Now look, little modifies sugar. It tells us about the amount of sugar. That's why the word little is an adjective. I like bright morning. The word bright modifies the noun morning. That's why it is an adjective. The dining room is small. So how is the room? The dining room. That means, now look, the word small modifies the room. So it is an adjective. Omar the Great was a just ruler. So it is also modified or tell us about the Omar, which is a noun. So the word great is an adjective. So dear students, all of you will practice this exercise at your home, and all of you of course all of you will know about the definition of the adjectives. So dear students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood about today's topic, and all of you will practice this exercise at your home. And dear students, all of you will study regularly and listen to your parents. See you again. Allah Hafiz.